Hello, this is Roland, Cisco Switzerland. I received a box today with the new Webex Desk Hub. That'll be this one here. And I wanted to do a quick unpacking video. And start with cabling and stuff. Power cable, the USB-C HDMI cable, a network cable, USB-C cable. That's the charging stand for the headset. With this one here. Power supply. I think this deserves the name Power Brick. A little connected device, and then the actual Webex Desk Hub. It's, I would say, heavier than I thought. This is how it looks like. Let me see, so I can open this up. Then I have the device with the NFC charger here. Interesting part. Network in and the power in. We have the network out, so for your PC to connect to the back. The USB-C out. Then the screen, which looks like almost the same as this one. There is some additional USB power, and we have some additional USB port. Then it looks like there can be something removed. Oh, okay, there you go. So this part can be removed, and then instead of the cover, you can connect this headphone stand here. There you go. Then it's like fully equipped. All right, so power cable here. Device to unplug. I have been sent one of our desk cams. This one with like this. Okay, good. Say start. Network is connected. Next, I would like to cloud register it. I'm asked to do a software upgrade. Okay, software upgrade is happening. See if the upgrade is finishing. There we go. And let's try again. Start. It says connected. I would like to register it to the cloud. Activate. I don't have a proxy. Oops. It says activated. Time zone is not 100% correct. I would like to change it to something more appropriate. 24 hours time zone. I can tilt the webcam to make sure that I see something better, and I have now a few meetings already showing up here. So Webex test, Microsoft Teams test. So we do have it connected now. And finally, let's see what the Selfview says. There we go. Selfview is on. Very good. I have the option to do noise removal. Also, it's to default. That's also quite cool. And then I can, now I have a join button available here on my screen, I can actually see that somebody joined, and now I say join, and the desk hub is joining the call, and I can see, there we go, the image as I would have expected it on the device. Okay, so that works very good. Let's see. Ooh, okay, so microphone options. We even have the option to say optimize for my voice. So the built-in microphone here can be optimized for my voice. I can record the meeting. I can add the participants to the call, keypad, and I can lock the meeting. I have the option to change the layout if there will be additional participants. Wow, it looks and feels like a proper video endpoint, I must say. And the emojis are also sent. Again, Selfview. Always on. And I can see a picture-in-picture coming up on the screen here. So that's quite good. Virtual backgrounds. I can set virtual backgrounds on this device, so I can blur the background. Okay, I can change it to something indeed virtual. Let's go a little bit through them, and I must say they're quite well implemented. You can also upload your own virtual backgrounds here, or I can upload my own virtual backgrounds here. Either this or none for the sake of seeing the quality. Adjust camera view, best overview. Okay, let's do that. So it will adjust slightly to put myself more into the right angle. Yeah, share. To share, I can either use the USB-C input. Okay, I get automatically the meeting details here. There we go. Okay, I would like to share a presentation. I'll say okay, share in call, and there we go, it shares in the call. I would like to go ahead and change the layout, so prominent, floating, so I see both focus, so the other person has been removed. Stacked default, I like the prominence still a lot, so you have all these views available with this little device, so it acts like a proper video endpoint. There you go. Say I would like to stop sharing, then I have to preview only. Good. Okay. End meeting for everyone. There we go. I have to join the Zoom meeting. Okay, and I just have to then admit the host. There we go. And then we are 3 people in the call. I am in the Zoom meeting. Leave this one again. Join Microsoft Teams meeting. I admit. And there we go. There we go. That's what I wanted. Recording. Leave. Settings. Audio device. Desktop. Speaker desktop. Microphone desktop. Camera. Desktop. There we go. So we can also use the desktop's audio and video capabilities with this device to join Microsoft Teams call. So I dial in here. So I am joining now the meeting with the desktop and the camera, desk cam, and the video endpoint on the other side as well. Okay, quite a nice device. I like the look and feel of it. Feature wise, we are at the very beginning at the moment, so very happy to had the pleasure to test it. The quality for video calls is really good. Yeah, so thanks a lot for watching, and I hope it was some help, and yeah, looking forward to see you during my next video. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.